Have you ever felt your heart race, your chest tighten, and your mind go into a total panic? When anxiety hits hard, it is easy to feel completely helpless. But as a psychologist, I want to teach you a simple physical trick that signals your brain to calm down instantly. It is called box breathing. Imagine a square. First, breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Second, hold that breath inside your lungs for 4 seconds. Third, exhale all the air out of your mouth for 4 seconds. Finally, hold your lungs empty for 4 seconds. Repeat this loop just 3 times. This simple exercise physically forces your nervous system to drop its heart rate and stop a panic response. It is a real world tool you can use anywhere, anytime. Note, this video is for educational purposes and does not replace professional therapy. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more daily tools.